sacrifices. Made it this far, you know what the price is. Did it for you that don't care about us. Careful with the so-called heroes, I had to let go of all our own environments. Maybe love is all but arbitrary. Pity peace, I pity the life I carry. But I carry on, I don't carry burdens. All for me that just sounds scary. Selling riches as freedom, man. Some things I don't understand. If you're all rich, then nobody is. So what does that say about freedom, man? Eagles don't fly for the birds that can. They fly for themselves, there's no other plan. Some give up on love cause they never find it. Others give up cause they always can. All I ever wanted might not be important. The things that were accounted for might be nonsense. I was always lost and hope was in abundance. But I prayed to myself now, it's all I ever wanted. I prefer to hear no lies, I prefer to live my life. Wings don't mean that we can fly. I save myself before I die, cause it's the life that I know. Repeated cycles of Ivor's Bible. I don't need you to flaunt for my sake. To save your own home, I follow to home. Where I go from here, God knows my heart is selfish. My struggle selfish. I hold my own load to build a castle. To be a king that protects his own home. And I don't mind, just don't think we're all slow. We know this all home, don't need your feedback. Take your feedback, know you struggle, but not for me though. Out the deep, rich and reached the peak. Lost and found your peace, but not for me though. I have to keep going, hard work pays, but not for me though. I have to keep going, truly I know the cost of freedom. All I ever wanted might not be important. The things that were accounted for might be nonsense. I was always lost and hope was in abundance. But I prayed to myself now, it's all I ever wanted. 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 It's all I ever wanted.